Hey guys, so I am so excited. I'm back with FabFitFun, and I have to tell you, this new fall box is amazing, and some of you may ask, why is it empty? And the reason it's empty is because I'm going to show you all the items that you can choose from to customize your box. But before I do, I just want to mention, FabFitFun now ships to the UK. So all of y'all have been asking, when are you going to ship? When are you going to ship to us? And well, now we're finally shipping to you. But let me get on with it because I know you want to see all the options that can go in your box. We have this brand called Amica, and it is absolutely amazing. You can actually get a full-size straightener. I mean, now that's a steal because I know this brand, it's not necessarily the cheapest in the world, so it's pretty awesome. That's a steal. Next, we have the plush ultra soft plaid scarf. Now, who doesn't like a good scarf? I know I like a good scarf because you want to stay warm, obviously, and look cute. So this is adorable. And we have an Anthropologie travel yoga mat. Now, for those of you that are into yoga, I bet this is a great buy. So now I got to make my choice of what I want in this box. It's so hard because I really want everything, so this is where it gets tricky. All right, guys, on to round two. I'll start out with this adorable Kate Spade insulated lunch bag. I mean, and look, it even says out to lunch. How awesome is that? See, like play on words, you know? Like, you get what I'm saying. It is so cute, and too, it's like a great size. So you always need a good size lunch bag because, let's be honest, sometimes you like to eat a lot, like me. Let's see, next, okay, one of my faves, Dr. Nassif's detox pads. I mean, Dr. Nassif is amazing. Love him to death, and well, his detox pads. This is a hard one. I want everything in this box, literally everything. Next, we have, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Cut from the cloth wallet. If you're like me, well, you got a lot of cards because, well, you have a shopping addiction. So this is perfect for that. In case you didn't know, I'm marrying a French man, so a good cheese board is a necessity. But, what am I gonna choose? But you know what? I love him. I can get a cheese board some other time. I really need the Dr. Nassif detox pads. But what's so awesome about all the items that you can choose from is they're so different. I mean, you've got beauty products, you've got lifestyle products, like you have overall health products. Like, it is absolutely amazing. So there's something for everyone. Oh my gosh, guys. I was starting to think that this box could not get any better, but you know what? FabFitFun, they proved me wrong once again. Let's see, this, Cosmetic Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. So this is awesome. I've heard such great things. You can just mix it into your moisturizer and, well, you're done. So who doesn't like something easy but great for the skin? Next, we have the Better Skin Co. Lava Magic, and it is a cleanser, scrub, and mask. So it's a 3-in-1. Basically, you're getting a deal. 3 things in one. Duh. How awesome. Oh, guys, these are my favorite. Okay, Bobble Bar. How adorable are these earrings? I mean, these seem like they're pretty much me. I mean, it goes great with my personality. It goes great. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. These products are amazing, but this is going to be my go-to. Switching it up a little bit. All right, guys, on to the next products. But before I start, I just want to remind you, you can get $10 off your first box if you use my special code. So just keep that in mind, $10 off your first box if you use my special code. So this next round of products, well, they're a little special because all the products that I've shown you so far, anyone can choose them. I mean, you can choose any one of those products to customize your box. But this group of products, well, you have to be an annual member to pick which one you want in your box. Now, even if you're not an annual member, you're still going to get one of these products. It's just going to be a surprise. So if you really want to pick which item goes in your box, make sure that you sign up to become an annual member with FabFitFun. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. I mean, I've been with FabFitFun for, well, I can't even count how many years because it's been so long, and I have never been disappointed. First, we have this Skin Love Body Boost Gel, and it is absolutely amazing. I mean, it's got green tea, caffeine, all kinds of fun ingredients in it, and it's supposed to just kind of, it can act as an, after workout gel, or put it on before you work out in your troubled areas, and you'll see a difference. So this It's a great one. So this is awesome. It's a grinder. You can put anything you want in it. It's pretty awesome because it's like a 2-in-1, so you can put 2 things in there. So, you know, if you don't have a lot of space and you need to kind of condense things, this is great for you. Next, we have a hair towel. So hair towels are pretty awesome. I love them. I can put my hair up and put my makeup on so my makeup doesn't get all up in my hair. You know, girls, you know the struggles. So hair towel is awesome, and I really don't know how people live without it. Next, we have this mini eye essentials. Ooh, this is awesome. It's got a mini brow pencil. It's got 2 shadow crayons and an eye pencil. So this right here, this is a steal, and I'm kind of obsessed. So I think I'm gonna pick this one, but before I do, I just want to try it out. You know, as makeup girls, we gotta swatch it always. Ooh, see, like I can already tell I am going to love this. Yep, that is great. I mean, this is awesome. It's a perfect color for fall. I mean, it's just light and airy. And the other colors that come in the box, well, it's great. We can mix it. Ooh, this is my new go-to, I have to say. So on to the next batch of products. Let's see, Aromatherapy Deep Relax Roller Ball. I mean, if you need a little help getting wound down and more relaxed, then this is definitely the product for you. I mean, I know that, well, Nanny Faye, she needs a lot of help getting wound down, so maybe I can use this on her. Ooh, next we have a face toner. So a face toner is a must, y'all. You gotta take care of your skin starting at a really young age. So, and too, once you get used to taking care of your skin, then it's just a habit, and it's a good habit to have. So face toner, everyone needs a good one. Next we have this Wander Beauty Gold Eye Mask. I mean, now how does gold not bring you in? I mean, gold makes me want to have it. So, oh, I love this gold eye mask, y'all. I love the aromatherapy, and I love the skin toner. This is a hard one. I want them all, but I can't have them all. Let's see. What do I want? You know what? I am going to go with the gold eye mask because, you know, with my family and the life that I live, they drive me insane. So I need these to help me stay looking young and fresh. So last but not least, these 3 items are absolutely amazing. And the good thing for you and me is that these 3 items come in every single box. So you don't have to choose. These exfoliating little sugar cubes are amazing because if you're like me, you love to exfoliate, but you hate the mess that comes along with them. And these, well, there's 0 mess whatsoever. You literally take 1 little cube and you exfoliate your entire body. And it smells heavenly. I mean, I kind of want to eat these, but you can't eat them. So let's just use them for our bodies and exfoliate. Body Souffle. It's a body cream, which is amazing because I kind of have dry skin, so I am constantly lathering things on. Let's see. Ooh, smells great too. I mean, guys, you literally cannot go wrong with FabFitFun. If you sign up for FabFitFun and use my special code, you can get the entire box for $39.99. Last but not least, we have this Aveda Daily Hair Repair. It is awesome. This brand is amazing. I mean, I use it on my hair. Chloe uses it on her hair, my little sister. I mean, it's amazing. Get ready for fall and enjoy your box because I'm telling you, this is the best box yet. I mean, I keep saying that, box after box after box, but I can tell you, this box is amazing, and there's so many different items that you can choose from to customize yours. So make sure that you sign up with FabFitFun today because you don't want to miss out. I mean, these items, I can tell you now, they're gonna sell out fast.